Hi, thank you very much for being here. Today in this tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how to customize your Blogger theme. Come to the computer screen and here is my blog, and in left side you will find some option, and in these options you have to select the theme. Here we go. Here is my theme and I have to customize it. Here we go. Actually it is a simple website, simple blog, so there are not too much options here. So you can change the image from here. Let's suppose I'm going to put this image here, so you can see the image, and then you can change the background color as well. And in the same way, let's go to advanced, and here you will select the fonts of your blog, and here is the font color. So you can select it from here, whatever you want or whatever your requirement. And here in gadgets you will see that about me, pages, whether you are going to show or you are not. Here you can see that my home page is here, and about me you can see if you want to show here, and like report abuse, if you want to show, do not want to show, or you can select it from here. So this is a way how to customize your Blogger theme. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Keep watching the next one.